Let the volume of each solution be V. The h to the power plus for the three solutions are 10 to the power minus 3 m, 10 to the power minus 4 m, and 10 to the power minus 5 m. Total moles of h to the power plus equals 10 to the power minus 3 plus 10 to the power minus 4 plus 10 to the power minus 5. V equals 1 times 10 to the power minus 3 plus 0.1 times 10 to the power minus 3 plus 0.01 times 10 to the power minus 3. V equals 1.11 times 10 to the power minus 3V. Total volume is 3V. Thus, h to the power plus equals 1.11 times 10 to the power minus 3V over 3V equals 3.7 times 10 to the power minus 4m. The answer is A.